Information to help you run your business better and improve your marketing campaigns. My name is Hank Hoffmeier, and thank you for joining me on Hank's Marketing and Business Tips. Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. Today I want to talk about chatbots, more importantly, chatbots on Facebook. I recently saw an advertisement for training on Facebook bots, and the person advertising the workshop he was doing mentioned that chatbots were going to be email marketing killers. What do you think? Do you think that chatbots are ready for prime time and you can use them in lieu of email marketing? I signed up to find out what I would receive from the workshop and then also from this person who was running the ad. Number one, when I clicked on the link to sign up for his workshop, I had to enter my email address. That right there shows me email marketing is still very powerful. Then I started to receive all of these messages on Facebook Messenger in relation to what this person wanted to go over, what they wanted to sell, and I had to interact. And there were times when I felt like I was being interrupted throughout the day to go back and look at this chatbot. Now, I purposely did that so that I could see what was going on and how this interaction would play out. For me, I don't think chatbots are ready for prime time because chatbots in your Facebook Messenger can be a little intrusive. Somewhere where you really think that you want to go to talk to friends and family, and maybe if you purposely reach out to a brand on Facebook and start a dialogue with them, it would be okay. But if you gave permission to someone to keep reaching out to you to sell you something or provide information to you without you first knowing what you're getting into, I think there is a little bit of fatigue or a little bit of issue with that. Learn about Facebook bots. I think it's important to find out how they work. If you have a Facebook page, you can use something like Chatfuel to go ahead and facilitate a chat bot. If somebody comes to you and asks you questions, you can automatically respond with an FAQ, frequently asked question, and then also the response to that. Again, I don't think Facebook bots or chat bots are ready for prime time, but I think that there is an opportunity to use them now, and maybe in the future it can be more widely used. But email marketing is still the best marketing channel to use that yields the highest success, and it feels like a more one-on-one relationship and does not feel like a bot. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Subscribe if you like the episode. You can find previous episodes at hankhoffmeier.com/Alexa. If you're looking for an email marketing platform and you sign up for iContact after a 30-day trial, you can use the code HMBT to get a $30 discount on your first month or maybe a couple months, as well as look for my book, The ABCs of the Customer Journey, on Amazon. I'll also link it up in the show notes. Thanks for tuning in.